The Fear and Greed Index, so this is exactly a week ago, February the 12th, after my last live, and we saw quite a significant drop. We saw a lot of money leave the market.
And it's gone.
Right, went back down to the bottom of the range. Now we're sort of floating in between. But I haven't ever seen Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index hit a 5. So very interesting to see that. The World Uncertainty Index, that surged past 2020 pandemic highs, which is something to be aware of. Higher than the 2008 financial crisis and even above the 2001 recession peak, which was a result of the dot-com bubble bursting. So we are in unprecedented times in terms of the economy. I don't know if anyone saw this, but Iran began firing missiles towards Hamas, where, you know, they've got 20% of global oil supply currently flowing through there. So what do you guys think the effect on oil is going to be when this high impact news comes out?
What could it cost? $10?
There's always headlines. That's what I want to remember and remind a lot of you guys is there's headlines all the time, but you see time and time again ahead of the market. So if we pull up the charts, wherever they are, let's have a look at oil. If we pull up oil, we go to the higher time frame. All right, we can have a look first on the daily, right? And I warned you all of that micro market cycle, which you can see playing out. I actually missed this move yesterday, last night. It was from about 10:30. We had a 4% move up from the bottom of this range, but the next significant level for oil is going to be this 66 level to get above that. You can see that was the prior resistance. So we want to get above that and obviously hold this as support if we do retest it to continue higher. But I'm glad that I could show you that micro market cycle play out. We basically marked the bottom at $55 a barrel, and we know that basically that gets defended every time we come down here. And the reason that $55 a barrel gets defended is because it becomes unprofitable for these global oil riggers to produce oil at less than $55 a barrel.
I gotta make money, and I just don't know if I can.
It's an interesting world that we're living in, but when you can take these fundamentals and you can understand the technicals, you can put the two and two together and make money trading, which is what it's all about. And if we look